Welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the Gorgeous RX system. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, you're at the right place. So today we're going to talk about other skin conditions that are caused by stress. And my number one that comes to mind is acne. As you know, acne can occur in any age group, more so around the pre-adolescent times. Up until, I would say, my oldest patient is about, our client is about 60. So who is still getting acne. So I just call them my young at heart. But anyways, with acne, like I said, that's my number one thing that comes to mind. And what happens is, like I said, I have younger people as well as teenagers and adults. I see just as many women with acne as I do adolescents and teenagers. So one would think that, okay, after teenage years, you're done with the acne. Not necessarily so. I think a lot of times my clients who come in, they complain about the outbreaks, and they do talk about how it occurs around a menstrual. Also, that's when they notice more outbreaks, but also they have problems just all the time. And what they all agree to is when they are stressed, it gets worse. So let's talk about what stress does. So when you are stressed, especially if you're a woman that is, a lot of times this occurs around a menstrual, but even if you don't have menstruals anymore, you ask yourself, how's the hormones playing a role? And they're not. So what is it? So definitely, like I said, they notice that it's due to stress. And what it is with stress, it causes our body to secrete or decrease secretion of certain hormones and your sex hormones. And with that, we do change our eating habits. We tend to eat more unhealthy foods. We don't take care of ourselves. We need more rest, and we don't get that. We tend to do more than when we really need to just relax. And with the changes of the sex hormones, even though they're not as high, you still have those changes of the your skin going through changes in which the oil glands become more active, and therefore you get more clogged pores, and therefore it leads to more acne eruptions. So there's a physiological condition that occurs with that, not just, oh, I'm just stressed. No, there are some things that are going on. And then, so like I said, it leads to these other problems. So even if you're eating bad, you eat worse. Or even if you're eating good, you tend to slack off a little around hormonal time. But regardless, if you're really clean eating, if it's not your diet, definitely is the other factors that are coming into play that are out of your control. They really are out of your control. And all you can do is sort of embrace yourself for that. And so I have some women who, majority of my female patients who are over 35, who notice that it's due to stress. Around the menstruals, that's when they break out more. And they will say, hey, I was clear up until that time. And it's usually the same time every month, either the week before or the week of your menstrual. But definitely stress it makes it worse. So what you need to do is when you are stressed, that's when you want to take a break. Just step back and, sleep a little longer or do something that makes you happy to alleviate the stress if you cannot remove yourself from the stress. Sometimes we have no control of the situation around us. All we can do is control how we react to it. And, and if you're doing the best you can, but you're still at a very high level of stress, then all you can do is just try to affect that by doing things that make you feel good and to get you back to your baseline. So that's my tip for today. When you have acne, of course, you get yourself treated, use whatever that works for you. So if you have a regimen at home, you do, or if you need to go see a professional, by all means do so. But just keep in mind, stress plays a huge role in that, and you need to take care of you. Any questions for me? Hello, Dr. Richardson. How you doing? Good to thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please just put them in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the Gorgeous RX system. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. And follow us on or join our Facebook group on gorgeousgalcrew.com. gorgeousgalcrew.com. Okay, great. Thank you. You guys take care. Bye bye.